there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you've built a love, but that love falls apart. Your little piece of heaven turns to dust. Listen to your heart.
I look into your eyes, I see myself surprised. How was it always me who's falling for your lies? You smile when we meet, you laugh when we eat, you love it when I'm around, but you ain't feeling me. I'm like family, another sibling who's into weird things like jumping off of buildings. It's under control, I've got a hold of my emotions, but understanding you is like bottling explosions. I'm searching for a fire in the middle of the ocean, but the pain has been relentless over time, like erosions, and it's taken until now for me to finally see what your love meant and what you really thought of me. You only saw me as a friend who would love to hold your hand, who would stay by your side until you found yourself a man. Well, open your eyes, I was right in front of you, but go ahead and waste your time searching for the wrong dude. I'm through.
I know there's something in the wake of your smile.
Your smile.
I get a notion from the look in your eyes.
That same look.
You've built a love, but that love falls apart. A little piece of heaven turns to dust.
I can't see.
Listen to your heart.
I guess a memo passed and I ain't get the news. I guess something happened and now I'm so confused. I gather I'm a fool, cause I was just a tool of your amusement, or some for your abusement. We never laid hands, we talked about our plans, but you love that guy, he's just inside your pants. How do I know? Cause I'm a guy too. These other people don't love you up in this high school. They looking for a quickie, why they leaving hickeys? So they can tell they boys you gave it up quickly. Is that what you want? You telling me the truth? So what if he's cute? He doesn't even know you. But why you on that dude? Hey, remember me? Your best friend back in elementary, we were inseparable. We kept everything, we kept in contact. That's gotta mean something.
I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you've built a love, but that love falls apart. Your little piece of heaven turns to dust. Listen to your heart.
Why you acting dark? You know you loved me, but we could never start, and now it's ugly. You ain't the only one to blame. I was lame, what a shame. Now I'm feeling like this glass window pane. I'm in my phone searching contacts for your name. Maybe call you up and tell you what I'm saying. I got no bars. Get the message? Never mind. A song will express this torment you're putting me through. I'm two people now, I don't know what to do. On one side, man, I'm still astounded, but flip it to the other and I'm like running in a fat kid. I can't stomach it, I can barely stand it. I'd have better chances destroying planets. I guess I need a plan and map out a chart. You don't understand, so just play your part.
I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you've built a love, but that love falls apart. Your little piece of heaven turns to dust. Listen to your heart. I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you've built a love, but that love falls apart. Your little piece of heaven turns to dust. Listen to your heart.
I got friend zoned, I'm all alone on the phone, calling you up, getting boned. I should've known my heart was thrown like an actor in a play who didn't get a part, like a drunk in a bar playing with darts. Plenty fish in the ocean, finding sharks. All you girls, listen to your heart.